Hello Aries, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for the month of July. How do they view you? So this is for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. We will see how do your person view you, Aries. So give me energies of Aries personal spirit. How do they view Aries for the month of July? How do they view Aries spirit? Okay. This person feels you are holding back, Aries, and this person feels rejected. Someone has been rejected here. It could be you or this person. This person also feels you are very disinterested when it comes to them, or it could be about anything. We'll see. This person also feels you are not up for games and you are turning your back from them. I'm getting Leo here, could be a water sign, or Libra. Any air sign though. Okay, so this person feels, Aries, that you are holding back, you are rejecting them, you are not up for games, you have your sword up, you are very honest, but you have been hurt in the past and you are acting very cold right now. I'm also getting you are manifesting new things in your life, Aries. That's how they view you. And you are very harsh. Like, you could be very harsh when you speak, but you are very direct. And you know what you want. And I feel you are either married, Aries, or something could be very, like, something is stuck here. Let's see. But this person loves you. That's what I'm getting here. Or this person is from your past, Aries. I'm also getting, like, this person wants to communicate with you, but when this person communicates with you, you are very direct with them, and this person feels you are ready to, like, you are ready to hurt them with your words. And yes, this person feels like you have been patient, you are holding back, like you this person feels like you have been patient and you are holding back, like you have passion for this person, but you are very patient and very balanced. Yes, could be about commitment, Aries, and like you are holding back to give this person commitment and you are taking your time. You just need to have a balance in your life. That's how they view you. Yes, this person feels you are disinterested, you are watching them from a distance, but you are not taking any action towards them. This person also feels you could be married to someone else, Aries, or you could be in some other commitment, but this person feels like you have a baggage of that commitment, and you could be a player, Aries. Like, someone could be a player here. Maybe the person you are dealing with or you are in commitment with could be a player, so you are very burdened about that. And I also feel this person like view you as someone like you could be very focused on your work. Like, work doesn't allow you to, like, work, because of your work you cannot spend your time in other things, like in flirting and stuff like that. I'm also getting, like, yes, you are very focused on your work. Like, that's how they view you. You are very self-centered and you are financially stable, and you are very responsible and very stable in your life, financially and emotionally. Like, you have stability. But this person feels like, if you are already married to someone else, Aries, this person feels like you are walking away from this person because of your wife and because of your child. If you are married to someone else, your wife could be pregnant, or you already have a child, or but this person feels, or you could be pregnant, Aries, if you're a feminine watching this. But this person feels like you are manifesting stability in your life. You want some kind of growth and love in your life, and you are manifesting that. But things are stuck in your life. You are stuck in some situation. I'm also getting, Aries, for someone specific. If you are already married with someone, but you made this person pregnant, like this other person could be a Libran. Like, then you feel stuck to that person because of the child. Could be for someone specific. Yes, this person feels like you are walking away from them. You want to free yourself from this energy, and you are determined to walk away from this person's life. Like, I'm getting, you are acting very detached, Aries, but this person wants you, and this person see you as someone like you are very determined to just walk away from their life and enjoy your freedom. You want to start again, like you want commitment, and I am also getting you are very honest and you are cutting this person off from your life. That's how they view you. Yes, this person feels it was destined to meet you, but you are acting very single right now and you are in your power. Strong Libra energy in your reading, Aries, but I have Sag, I have Leo too, I have Pisces, Scorpio too, any water sign though. So yes, that's how they view you. Like you are acting very single right now, you are stable, financially stable. Even if you are married, Aries, this person feels like you are acting very single from them. You are acting very emotionally independent, and yes, you are emotionally independent. I feel you are moving on and you have made a decision. Yes, it was destined to meet you, that's how they view you, but now you have made a decision that you just need to walk away from them, and you are walking away, Aries. But for most of you, I'm getting you have already walked away from this person's life because this person has no hope. That's how they view you. Okay, Aries, so this was your reading. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.